Welcome to the Dress Up Mom. I am back in my closet getting ready to show you another week of my outfits. Let's get to it. I'm pairing this vintage St. John knit little cropped sweater with my vintage Levi's that I cut, frayed, and bleached myself about a year ago, and I've been wearing them so much, but they just still keep ticking and I think still look pretty good and are modern. I have them with these really fun shoes from Artemis Design, those flying carpet people. These aren't the flying carpet shoes, but they're nice leather and suede, and the gold and blue I think really sets off this sweater pretty well. Now this, like I said, is vintage St. John knits. I think it was from the 80s because it had these big shoulder pads that I took out. Know that you can always take them out. I found this resale for like $25. It didn't have any holes or anything. It was in really good shape. The buttons I think are really incredible, but it was a weird color. It was kind of a light mint color that I liked, but it just wasn't good for me. So I actually took a chance since I paid so little for it, and I bleached it this blue myself. And I love how it turned out. It was really kind of scary. It did shrink up a little bit, but that was fine. I wanted it to shrink, and I think it turned out pretty well. Finally, I am going out. It's night, so I know this is a little bit maybe over the top, this bag with it, but I think it kind of goes. The blue here with the blue of the jeans, the gold, and this is really special because my daughter gave this to me as a Christmas present. She brought it back from a trip to India, and it's just beautifully done. And you know how much I love India and want to go. I feel like I am taking a little bit of India with me tonight as we go out. Today I am going cowboy boot shopping with my daughter, one of my favorite things to do. And if you watch my channel, you know that I love buying boots resale, particularly cowboy boots. Now, I am wearing my cowboy boots today as we go for some inspiration. Check out these bad boys. I got them at Flashbacks, which is where we're going. And look at them, please. They are made out of they're embroidered up here in some sort of a silver, and this is leather, nice leather. I think they were made in Mexico. They were in great shape. And I think I paid something like $40 for them, so they were great. Just have them with a pair of resale jeans that I got. These are my Page jeans. And this is a Tanner belt, which I love that company and the leather that they do. And this is just a little St. John knit sweater that I'm wearing and heading out to see if we can get a pair of boots. One of my favorite things about dressing for spring and summer is my ability to bring out my vintage Hawaiian dresses. This is one that I have on today that I absolutely adore. I bought it at Flashbacks here in San Diego. I have it paired with these Rothys, my little green Rothy flats. These are sustainable shoes that are just wonderful. I'll put a link to Rothy's down here. Check them out. Super comfy, like wearing your nice slippers out or something, but they look great. This dress, again, is vintage Hawaiian, and I love wearing these kinds of bold prints. Look at the incredible button detailing here, these big, huge buttons that kind of look a little bit 60s inspired to me. It has the longer sleeves, which is kind of nice. I'm wearing this to church today. And then I have my cat eye Tom Ford sunglasses on that my son gave me years back, and I just love these. I think they add just such a fun pop. My husband said I look a little bit like Anna Wintour here wearing these inside, but I'll take that as a compliment. Anyways, I am going to enjoy a beautiful sunny San Diego day today. I love mixing old and new, so vintage pieces with new or modern looks, and that's what I'm doing with today's outfit. This is my Missoni vintage classic little knit top that I got from ReLove in San Francisco. And I paired it today with this pair of Madewell jeans. They're like a wide cut on the bottom, which I think is really fun and modern. And I love this gold color that really ties into the colors in this Missoni top. I have my just little Levi's. Oh, and this tie I really love as well. It's kind of a cute little piece to this Missoni sweater. And then I have my little Levi's just denim jacket on. And then these are Louboutin flats that are in the same sort of color scheme that I think keep with the sort of prim and proper top and the prim and proper shoes and some fun denim along with it. Tonight we are going out and I have on this duster that always to me reminds me of Stevie Nicks. Look at the beautiful like rainbow color of it, as well as this fringe, and it's kind of like a velvet and sheer. It feels really nice on too. I got it at ReLove in San Francisco and I absolutely love it. It just brings fun to any outfit. I have it paired with just a little Kit and Ace top. This is a Tanner belt. Love their leather belt products. Again, these Levi's that I just seem to be wearing all the time, the ones that I did myself, vintage. And these are my BRYR clogs, also from San Francisco, handmade there. I'm wearing these 3 necklaces. So my parents recently went to assisted living and we've been cleaning out their house. And my mom had quite a jewelry collection, so I've inherited now, or have gotten, a bunch of cool stuff. So these are 3 sort of beaded necklaces. She loved these. She had hundreds of them, and I'm wearing them. Kind of makes it seem fun as well. So doing this today. That is it, my friends, for this week. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. I would love to know in the comments below what your favorite outfit was, and also tell me if you think something didn't work. I learned from that as well. Until next time, have fun and dress it up a little.